Well, on the other hand, several volunteers in Lingarajpuram create awareness about COVID-19 and ask people not to come out of their houses during the lockdown. Apparently, people are venturing out of their houses as BBMP or the health officials don't visit the area often. Our correspondent Prajwal D'Souza spoke to one of the volunteers. Take a look.
As the number of COVID-19 cases are increasing in the city, several zones in the area and in the city have been declared hotspots. Now, what has happened here in Ramaswamipalya will definitely shock you. Now, despite the lockdown orders being issued, several people still came out here today, still started to gather in large numbers. Now, what has happened here is police are nowhere to be seen. Several corona warriors, several volunteers have come out to do the duty and inform the people, try to clear the crowd. Now, just a few minutes ago, a lot of people had gathered here despite warnings, despite telling them not to come out. Many people were not even wearing masks. Now let's go across and talk to some of these corona warriors who are right now at Ramaswamipalya trying to make people understand the importance, trying to clear the crowd here. Now what is more appalling is that no cop is also seen in the area. Only 2 female cops are seen in the area. Take a look at these visuals. A few people have come here. A small kid also here without wearing any mask. All the people have not worn any mask. Kids are also being brought out by irresponsible people here, which is very risky. People still don't understand how riskier the situation here is. Let's talk to some of the corona warriors here and understand what has been happening here. Are the cops helping them out and what exactly is going on here? Sir.
ಡೇ ಒನ್ನಿಂದ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಆಯಿತೋ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಅಲೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೋ ಆವತ್ತಿಂದ ಕೇರ್ಟೆಕ್ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ದಿನ ಬಂದು 10 ಗಂಟೆ 11 ಗಂಟೆ ಗಂಟೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಇದೆ. 11 ಗಂಟೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನೋ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗುಂಪು ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಂಗೆ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಆಫೀಷಿಯಲ್ಸ್ BBMPನವರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅವ್ರು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು 2 ಸತಿ ನೋಡಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ದಿನ ನಾವು ವಾಲಂಟಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಮ್ಮನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ ರೋಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ನಾವು ಸಂಜೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 2 ಟೈಮೂ ನಾವು ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Well, that was one of the corona warriors here who has taken it upon themselves to inform the people here, create awareness and stop people from coming out. Volunteers here saying that none of the health officials have come here to inform the people. Now, despite them trying to do, there's only so much that these volunteers can do. The cops and both the BBMP and the cops should take cognizance of the matter and should take this area very seriously, as a lot of people are still venturing out despite the increasing number of COVID-19 cases. With camera person Guru Charan Singh, Prajwal D'Souza for News 9, Bengaluru.